Mm. I watch the light fade from your eyes, like a sunset I can never chase. Your laughter turned into quiet sighs, and I kept trying to read your face. You were drifting like a lonely cloud, too far for me to hold you near. I whispered everything out loud, but all you answered was a tear. I felt the distance spread like winter across the place we called our home. Every heartbeat getting thinner till I wasn't yours and you were mine anymore. I lost you in slow motion, like a shadow slipping through my hands. You faded like an ocean, pulling back from where our footprints stand. And I try to keep you close, but love is something you outgrew. I lost you in slow motion, long before I ever knew. I memorized the shape of your goodbye, the way your silence filled the room. I felt the truth behind your tired smile, like flowers dying far too soon. We used to move like one heartbeat. Now you walk like a stranger through my chest. Every memory tastes bittersweet, like something broken you tried your best to forget. I reach for you in quiet moments, but your warmth was slipping through the seams. You were leaving in slow fragments, falling out of all our dreams. I lost you in slow motion, like raindrops rolling off your skin. I watched your heart grow frozen till there was no space left for me in. And I carried every hope, even when you pulled away from truth. I lost you in slow motion, but the pain came all at once when I lost you. I still stand where our forever broke, afraid to breathe, afraid to heal. Your name burned soft like rising smoke from a love that never learned to feel. If I could turn back all the moments, I'd hold you tighter past the fear. But slow goodbyes leave quiet torment, and yours still echoes in my ears. I lost you in slow motion, a heartbreak written frame by frame. You slipped past my devotion while I kept calling out your name. Now I'm living with the ghost of every us we never grew. I lost you in slow motion, but every second still feels brand new.